if you want to delete all the chat, or if you want to archive, even you can also export all the chat from your WhatsApp. It's a very simple trick, and I think this is also very useful for us. So if you want to do that, first of all, go to WhatsApp. From here, go to three dot menu and go to setting, and now find chat option from here. Then click here and go to chat history. Now you can see multiple option. First one is export chat, second one is archive all chats, third one is clear all chat and delete all chat. So if you want to delete all the chats from your, or you can select anyone from here. I think all the option are very important for us. So click anyone from here. I just want to click delete all chats. So delete chat, processing done. So that's it. It's a very simple and useful for us for your WhatsApp account. So you can see it's very fresh, no messages, and it's looking like a new WhatsApp account. Thanks for watching. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.